What's up, guys? Thanks for watching TikTok Dreams. Thank you guys again for helping the channel reach 1,000 subscribers, which is a huge milestone for the channel. If you're new and like this video, give it a quick thumbs up and also consider subscribing for daily content. Today we're checking out some Harley Quinn Tik Toks. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Something good at me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flood it out the face. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Something good at me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flood it out the face. Don't tell a girl's best friend.
Harley Quinn, nice to meet ya. Love your perfume. What is that? The scent of death? Koroska.
Whoa, easy, cowgirl. Ain't that kind of a mission. Have a seat.
She seems nice.
Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Something good at me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flood it out the face. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl.
You rap about an Audi too much. Because my Audi paid off, bitch, hush. Shut the fuck up. Why she be yelling so much? If I see you in the streets, bitch, your ass is done. I don't need your opinion.
Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Something good at me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flood it out the face. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Something good at me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flood it out the face. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Something good at me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flood it out the face. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Something good at me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I.
Harley Quinn, nice to meet ya. Love your perfume. What is that? The scent of death? Koroska.
Whoa, easy, cowgirl. Ain't that kind of a mission. Have a seat.
She seems nice. What was that? I should kill everyone and escape? Sorry. The voices. I'm kidding. That's not what they really said.
Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Something good at me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flood it out the face. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's best friend. I don't need you, I got flooded out baguettes. I don't need you, all my diamonds dripping wet. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Something good at me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flood it out the face. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Something good at me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flood it out the face. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's.
What are you gonna do? Are you gonna kill me, Mr. J?
Oh, I'm not gonna kill you. I'm just gonna hurt you. Really, really bad.
Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's best friend. Something good at me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flood it out the face. Don't tell a girl's best friend.
You, get your freaking hands up!
You're not my supervisor!
Shut up, we're gonna go to prison.
No, we're not. Say the right stuff and they just send you to a mental hospital for 10 months.
I just this second realized why you do macrame instead of knitting.
Yeah, no sharp objects on the ward. They were super strict about that.
Don't tell a girl's best friend. Don't tell a girl's best best friend. Diamonds to a girl's best friend. Something good to me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flood it out the face. Diamonds to a girl's best friend. 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 Something good to me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flood it out